This is the UL-300B Automatic Decoiler Straightener for compact press feeding lines. It combines coil unwinding and sheet leveling in one space-saving machine. Capacity covers 0.5 to 4.5 mm material, with width up to 300 mm. The operator loads the coil, aligns the strip center, then tightens it by manual hand crank expansion. It supports 450 to 530 mm inner diameter, 1,200 mm outer diameter, and 2-ton coil weight. The motor reducer drives feeding rolls with stable torque up to 16 meters per minute. 4 upper and 5 lower rolls form a 9-roll leveling head with 76 mm roll diameter. 4-point handwheel adjustment tunes leveling pressure by strip thickness and condition. The 40 CR roll set and hardened surface treatment support wear resistance and material finish. Applicable materials include SPCC, stainless steel, cold-rolled steel, pickled steel, and galvanized steel. Full 300 mm width applies to thinner stock. Rated width decreases as thickness increases. Loop sensing pauses the machine when needed, then restarts after the preset delay. For selection, confirm width, thickness, yield strength, coil weight, and press line layout.